Hello everyone, I'm Maddie with Travel Laws, and today I will be doing a tutorial for Travefy. And when we start Travefy, you just create a profile, and once you create a profile, you can create new trips. Now, it's not free, it's $39, but if you have Agent Studio, then it's connected with Agent Studios and there's no charge. And I believe that Travolution has a sign up with Agent Studio. These are all the ones that I've created for my clients, which is very convenient and it's live. So anything they change, they'll receive it. And when you change it, you don't have to send it to them again. It'll automatically updates the app that they have on their phone. I'm going to click on Create New Trip. And this is for the spring getaway cruise with Carnival that I created the Google Forms. So if you watch a tutorial with the Google Forms, it's just a continuation. I'm going to click here, actually change cover photo, and you can upload one of their photos or you can upload one that you've downloaded. And I'm going to upload the one that I downloaded for the Carnival Breeze. And I'm gonna kind of bring it up so it's not gonna show the cruise, but that's fine. We're gonna do a new event. Actually, here on your itinerary, you're gonna add the name of the trip, which is Spring Getaway 2019. Okay. The start date is March of next year, March 2nd, 2019. The starting price is $829.85. Okay, and that's per person. And then on here, I'm just gonna add a little note, and I had already put it on my Word. So we're just gonna copy and paste that so I don't spend time typing. What's going on with this thing? This is acting funny today. Okay, here we go. Copy. And what happened? Yeah, go back in here. Copy and paste. And that's just saying, let's plan to have some fun in the sun. You can put whatever you want from Port Canaveral to the destination that it's going to. Price per person is for March 2nd through March 19th, based on 2 travelers per room. And deposit, I just put a little description of the deposit and the payment plan. And also that each guest will receive a Carnival tote bag and a $25 onboard credit. So this is Carnival tote bag. Each guest will receive a Carnival tote bag and $25 onboard credit. And I'm going to save that. And then we're going to add a new event. And we're going to click on Cruise. Oh, why did it do that? Hold on. Day 1. Yeah, Cruise. Okay. I don't know why it's doing this, but let's just see what's happening. Okay, yeah. So March 2nd, 2019 is with Carnival, and it's the Carnival Breeze, and automatically it'll find it for you. So just get itinerary and add to itinerary. So automatically it'll populate here on this side with everything that's happening for that week. So on Saturday, it's saying that you arrive to Port Canaveral, and that it departs at 4 p.m. That's the first one. Sunday, it's saying that it arrives to Fun Day at Sea. Of course, you're on Sea Day, so you're not arriving or departing. So I just edit that and remove arrive at. Just keep Fun Day at Sea. Save, and the same thing here. I'm going to take this out because there's no depart. So we're just going to delete that event. So it's saying that Monday they'll be at sea all day. I'm sorry, Sunday. And then Monday is saying that at 9 a.m. it arrives to the Dominican Republic and it departs at 4 p.m. from the Dominican Republic. On Tuesday, it arrives at 11:30 from St. Thomas and it departs from St. Thomas at 7 p.m. and so forth. Wednesday, same thing, arrives at San Juan and departs from San Juan. And Thursday, arrives to Grand Turk and departs from Grand Turk. And then Friday again is saying that it arrives at Funday at Sea, but you're just on the boat all day, floating around. So we're going to take that out and save that. It's just to let them know that that's what they'll be doing that day. And we'll just delete this because it's not departing. And then back on Saturday, I'm just going to put arrive to Port Canaveral and depart from Port Canaveral. So that means you're leaving. The next thing you want to do, let's see, trying to remember everything here. So that's that part. On information and documents, you can add information. And what I normally do is I'll type in itinerary and payment information. Now, once you get clients that book their booking, the cruise, you put the information into Carnival, then you're going to get a receipt. So what I normally do is I just go to documents and I'll upload it. And I'm going to just put one from another cruise because I don't have any yet for this cruise. But I'll go in here and I'll save it on my documents and I'll just upload it. So when you're done, it'll just show everyone's receipt. And I'll do another one. So everyone that's on this cruise, if it's a group, everybody can go into the same Travefy and pull up the receipt or whatever information you want. So you don't have to email everything will be right on here. So we're going to go back and find somebody else. And so here you have Adrena and next person and so on and so on. So as many as you have, you can just put it in there. What I also will do is I will add, after I put in all that information, I will also add click on link below to complete Google Form. And if you go here to this little link, you click on that, you go to your Google Forms and copy and paste it on here. It's not doing that. Copy. Okay, there it goes. And insert, done editing. So automatically that'll be there for them. So they'll click on the link below to complete the Google form. And that's so much helpful than having to call you. So on information and documents, what I normally put, the documents and the itinerary payment information, and then the Google form. So if they go here and they click on there, it automatically takes them to that Google form where they'll fill out. And once they fill it out and submit it, it comes right to you. And this is what it'll look like. And they just have to keep clicking next. And have all the information there for them. So you don't have to send them the Google form and the Travefy. Everything is on Travefy. So this is what they would do. And then just put in, all the information that you need. Date of birth. And if you notice, some of them have asterisks because in the Google form tutorial, I mentioned that if you enter an asterisk, then it'll make them have to put in this information. If you don't have it, then and they pass it, you're not going to have it. They're not going to know. So for instance, this one doesn't have it. but I just did that because I just wanted to show you. So all the information is in here, and you're just clicking next. They'll keep clicking next. They'll click on what category they want, what bed, what time they're checking in, if they want travel protection, and maturity, the credit card information, and my information, and then submit. Once it's submit, it'll come to you. So from Travefy, once you put this information in there and they click on it, it'll take them to Google Forms, they fill it out, and you're done. You really don't have to speak to anyone anymore after that, unless they have some other questions. And I think that's pretty much it. You're going to share this. Once you do this, then you're going to share it with the person that's creating the group, or just a party, whoever's having a party, whoever's doing a trip. So you're going to share this. You're going to either email it to them or copy the link. And you can upload it to their Facebook Messenger or wherever you want to send it to, email, or pretty much it. And that is about it. If you have any questions, you can also enter excursions. So, for instance, with this one that is saying that it arrives at the Dominican Republic and it departs from the Dominican Republic, you can add a new event and just click on info. And you can put here, excursion and what's happening with that excursion, how much it costs. You can put pictures of the excursion and then just do done editing. And they'll have that on that itinerary for Monday, for Tuesday, for Wednesday. If they don't want to do the excursion, that's fine, but I will put it in there. That'll be extra for you, extra money or extra points, whatever Carnival gives you. I know Royal Caribbean gives you some commission, but I think Carnival just gives you points. But you can add excursions to any of these days or anything that you want. If you have any questions, you can send me a Facebook message and I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.